Stop using the cut tool in Premiere Pro. Hey guys, my name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. So, you use the shortcut C to use the cut tool in Premiere Pro and you edit your videos with that. Let me tell you something about professional editing. There's only one right frame for every footage to cut. One frame. And tell me, how exactly are you gonna reach for that one frame to cut with your mouse? When you use the cut tool in Premiere Pro, you have to use your mouse. It's not that fast and not at all accurate. But there's a way. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+K. And promise me something, from now on you have to use that shortcut. I'm gonna show you the difference in Premiere Pro. But before, like this video. This is our footages. We press C to use the cut tool and we start editing. Delete the extra. You can use your mouse to cut with edit tool, or you can use this arrow and use the cut tool here. And the last footage, we cut here and here. Delete the extra and this is our result. And now let's do that once again with Ctrl+K. We only use the arrow and we press Ctrl+K on our keyboard. That's it. And as you can see, it's much faster than using the cut tool. We delete our extra and this is our result. Let me know down in the comment, have you used this shortcut before or not? And maybe you are saying it's hard to do that Ctrl+K, it's on keyboard, and there's actually a solution for that too. Let's dive into Premiere once again. Go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, and search for Add Edit. And you can change the shortcut here. I use Shift E for adding the cut. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time.